You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 Subaru Outback. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This comfortable and connected Outback answers the call of your adventurous spirit. Loaded with passenger amenities, this versatile compact SUV is eager to hit the road or the trail so you can follow your heart's desire. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, Bluetooth, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel ready for whatever the road has in store in this rugged Outback. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.